Italian lentil soup. This is one of those dishes that warms you from the very first spoon. It's simple, humble, and deeply comforting. The kind of recipe Italians grow up with. Nothing fancy, no complicated step, just real ingredients coming together slowly. Today we'll show you how we make our Italian lentil soup at home. Rich, cozy, and full of flavor. Stay with us until the end to see how everything comes together into a flavorful, hearty bowl of soup. Let's begin with the simple ingredients we'll need for this recipe. Pasta. We personally love using small pasta shells for this soup because they hold the broth beautifully. But in Italy, for this type of pasta, the taloni rigati are traditionally used, hearty and nourishing lentils. Sweet and fresh cherry tomatoes, garlic, deep flavor base, parsley, fresh final touch, salt to balance flavors, black pepper, gentle warmth, and salt of Italian cooking, olive oil. Simple ingredients, but when cooked slowly, they create a soup that tastes rich, comforting, and incredibly satisfying. This is the beauty of Italian home cooking. We start by cutting the cherry tomatoes in half. This is one of those recipes where time really matters. There is no rush. Let the ingredients do their job slowly. In Italy, soups like this are often cooked while the house is quiet, with something simmering gently on the stone, filling the kitchen with warmth. It's not just food, it's a moment. Add olive oil to the pot and gently place the garlic cloves inside. At this stage, the olive slowly absorbs all the flavor from the garlic. This is how we build the base of the soup, softly, not aggressively. The garlic should perfume the oil, not burn. Now add the cherry tomatoes. Let them saute gently until they soften and release their natural sweetness. This is where the soup begins to come alive. Once the garlic has released all its aroma, we remove it from the pot. The flavors stay, only the sharpness goes away. Now add the lentils. Lentils are humble, simple, and incredibly comforting. They absorb all the flavor around them, which makes the soup so satisfying. Give everything a good stir and let the lentils coat in the tomato base. Add enough water to fully cover the lentils. Season with salt and black pepper. Mix well and let everything cook over medium heat for about 30 minutes. Slow cooking is the secret here. It allows the flavor to blend beautifully. After 30 minutes, check how much liquid remains. If you prepare this dish thicker, almost like a pasta, you don't need to add more water. But we love it as a soup, so we add a little extra water to keep it warm and comforting. Now it's time to add the pasta. Small shells work perfectly because they hold the broth so well. As I said before, in Italy, the tallone rigati are traditionally used for this recipe. Cook everything together for 10 to 12 minutes until the pasta is tender and the soup becomes creamy naturally. No cream needed, just patience. While the pasta cooks, finally chop some fresh parsley. This will add brightness and freshness right at the end. And just like that, our Italian lentil soup is ready. Thick, cozy, nourishing, the kind of meal that feels like home in every spoonful. Serve hot, finish with fresh parsley, and with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. This soup tastes even better the next day, when all the flavors have had time to rest together. This is one of those recipes that doesn't try to impress, yet always does. If you enjoyed this Italian lentil soup, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel for more real Italian home cooking. Thank you for cooking with us and we'll see you in the next recipe.